Today I'm going to teach you how to save a PDF file as an image in JPEG or PNG format using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you need to insert specific PDF pages into presentations, share them on social media, or use them in image editing software. Let's walk through this straightforward process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro on your computer. You'll need to log in with your credentials if prompted. This ensures you have access to all the features and tools available in your subscription. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Adobe Acrobat home screen where you can access all your documents. Next, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically displayed prominently on the home screen, showing you the documents you've worked with most recently. From this list, select the PDF file that you want to convert into an image format. If your file isn't in the recent list, you can always browse for it using the Open File option. Now, with your PDF open, look to the upper left toolbar. Here you'll find the menu button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down of various options that Acrobat Pro offers. From this menu, select Export a PDF. This feature is specifically designed to convert your PDF into different file formats, making it extremely versatile for various use cases. After clicking Export a PDF, you'll see several format options appear. Click on Image from these options. This tells Acrobat that you want to convert your PDF pages into image files rather than other document formats like Word or Excel. You'll now be presented with different image format choices. Select your preferred option, whether that's JPEG or PNG. JPEG is great for photographs and images with lots of colors, while PNG is better for images with text or transparent backgrounds. Click on your chosen format to proceed. A File Explorer window will open, asking you where you want to save the converted image on your computer. Navigate through your folders and select the location that makes the most sense for your workflow. This could be your desktop, documents folder, or a specific project folder. Before finalizing, you have the option to rename the file if needed. If you want to give it a more descriptive name than the default, go ahead and rename it now. This helps keep your files organized and easily identifiable later. Finally, click Save to complete the conversion process. Adobe Acrobat will now convert your PDF pages into image files in your chosen format and save them to your selected location. Depending on the size of your PDF and the number of pages, this might take a few moments. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your PDF into an image format using Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.